Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve a flexi rod hairstyle on blown out hair. So I go ahead and take medium sections and I use my Camille Rose Curl-Aid butter. I love this stuff so much and I got a really good response on my IG video on this, so I thought to upload this on YouTube as well. So I just kind of put a small amount on my sections and then just go ahead and wrap my hair around the flexi rod. And on this side, I didn't use any foaming mousse because I want to see if I can achieve like a really nice result without it, because sometimes foaming mousse makes my hair feel dry, but it does provide a really good hold and it does help wrap the hair around and stay in place on the flexi rod. But I noticed that there was no difference at all in the way my hair looked. It just made my hair feel a lot softer to use it without the foaming mousse. So after I go ahead and I have around about like 20 flexi rods I think altogether in my hair, I left it in my hair for about a day and a half, and I did sit underneath the hooded dryer for about half an hour because my hair didn't need that much time to dry because it was on blown out hair. So the takedown process is very easy. All I do is unravel the flexi rods, and then once I finish doing that, I separate them, and I basically just kind of separate them as much as possible to get more volume, but not too much because I don't want too much frizz. And basically what I did after that to get more volume was to kind of pick out my hair. And because my hair is kind of growing out in a weird, awkward, like mullet shape, I do need to get another diva cut. I didn't really want to wear it down anymore, and so I did put it up in a really cute hairstyle. Super easy, super quick. And my hairstyles usually turn out a lot better once I leave it down all day. It kind of just takes like a better shape and form. Let me know, you guys, what do you guys think about the results? My hair felt super soft, super defined, and I was really happy to be able to achieve that with just one product. And Flexi Rod is definitely hands down one of my favorite hairstyles ever. And yeah, so let me know if have you guys ever tried any Camille Rose products before? So for this really simple updo, all I do is put my hair in a ponytail. I only wrap my hair around once, so I have a lot of volume at the top, and then just kind of leave some bangs out at the front. And then if I want more volume, I will pick out the ponytail as well. And that's it. It is super simple, super easy, and it's something that you can do if you don't like the way your hair turned out or you just don't want to wear it down. If you guys want to see how I achieved this blowout, I do have a video on that. Go ahead and check that out in the description box below. I used the Revlon air dryer and the Camille Rose leave-in conditioner, and I got amazing results. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.